everyone, welcome to our live streaming room of Hongniu Laser. Welcome to participate in our new product launch event and our 3-tax pipe laser cutting machine launch event.
This machine is one of our new model in this year, and this machine have 3 tracks, and the uploading is max 6 meters, and the unloading is also 6 meters long. So the total layout length is 15.5 meters long. So it makes this machine very stable. For this big machine, there are, in total, it has 6 main highlights. The first actually is stability. And the second is safety. It's very safe for this machine. So you know that the Europe and the USA customer always care about safety. And the third part is the semi-automatic uploading system, and also with the servo-driven support system. This is the third highlight. The fourth highlight is our flip plate loading system. But this is the standard loading system. It's a standard one. If you want to extend to upgrade, we can also have many upgrade solutions for you. It's up to your demanding. And the fifth, this is the fourth highlight. The fifth highlight is our valve cutting. You can see this. Please see this inside. You can see this laser head. There is angle. So this is not only for street cut. It can do valve cutting. With the valve cutting, you can get minus 45 degrees and 45 degrees. So why some customer need this valve? Because after cutting the construction beams, they always need to do welding. Because if it's straight, you do weld, it's not firm. But if it has one angle, it can weld very firm. So it's more better. The last highlight is our cover design. You see that it's very safe, because it also meets the CE standard. Okay, this is our engineer, Mr. Yu, and he has got it ready for the joint loading. Okay, start now. So when it click the start button, the conveyor, you can see, goes very smoothly. And also, there are 5 areas for this uploading, but you can customize to be more. You can extend this. You can see the back, the front tracks catch the tuber. And the servo system have support rise. And when the tracks come, the servo motor support system goes down. It moves. This part is for the center read, because it must center read the tubers to the center. So the cutting precision can be maintained. Okay, the middle tracks have hold the tubers already. You see that 2 tracks hold, and then the supporting system also holding the tubers. Okay, everyone. So now everything is ready, because our tracks is operated by the air cylinders. So we just turn on the air compressor so it can get operation now. Okay, the middle tracks move forward, and the third tracks will move forward to catch the tubers. And then the rear tracks will pull the tubers to the back area. And we can see over there, the front tracks open, right? So that part can't be cut before, now it can be cut. We just show you can cut that. But we didn't cut off it, just a show, like a marking. Then the production is finished. The flip plate will, the valve cutting show is ready. Our engineer, Mr. Yu, will do the cutting show for you. Please come here. Yes. Okay, everyone, please check. This is 45 angle. It's very smoothly. But with this angle, the contracting company also always do the welding, so it can match each other to do the welding very firm. and this function is very popular now, and most of our turbo users are requesting these new functions. Okay, so now all the machines functions show is finished, but we don't only have these machines. We have many new models that will come very soon, and in the following time of the year, we will hold many other live show for us to show you our another and many new machine models.